Hello crafty friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this adorable little box and its contents. It is from JustBe, so I'm going to do a review and a demo. Now what I really like the most about the kit is in the back of the card there's a story, so each charm can tell the story of the bracelet you're going to make. So once you open up the box, you're going to see a wide array of charms and a beautiful rainbow beads. There's so much to choose from, and you have enough to make 3 bracelets. So I have a 10-year-old and a 13-year-old girl, and when they saw this come in, they were like, "Mom, we're ready to build our bracelets." So next you're going to see my 10-year-old create her bracelet. But before that, I do want to mention that inside the card there is instructions on how to remove the end cap of the bracelet. It's a very easy procedure and any child can do it. And here's my 10-year-old trying to figure out what her story is going to be in her bracelet. She loves music, she loves art, and she loves to read. And she has tons of creativity too, just like her mom. I had so much fun watching her pick and choose her charms and build her own bracelet. I recommend this as a mom for anyone out there who wants to give this as a gift for holidays, birthdays, even for a sleepover. This would be a great activity for the girls to just gather together and create their own bracelets and tell their stories. So we're almost wrapping it up here. I'm going to make sure this bracelet has the end cap tightly screwed, and you could see the end result. The bracelet came out gorgeous. I loved it and so did she. If you're interested in purchasing a kit of your own or for a gift, I'll have the link below in the description box. There is a discount, but it's only available for a limited time, and you do get a high value product for your money. Thanks so much for tuning in. Give this video a like, and until next time, God bless.